Hey viewers, Dooney again. Here we are. This is downtown Bell Buckle, Tennessee, USA, and I want to show you some stuff. So just bear with me for a second. Now, over there, that house there, you might be able to see Roger. That's Roger sticking some stuff in the back of his car, and that's the little car that he let me drive, that thing there, and that's his brother's house there, and that's his deceased mum and dad's house there. So he's got some ties to this place. And the lady in this house just across here somewhere behind that tree there was just telling me that on any good Monday there's some 450 people living in Bell Buckle, and I just want you to have a bit of a look here because this joint's just nuts, and I'm going to walk around and show you some of that. Roger reckons there's 30,000 people here today, and I'm not surprised in the tiny slightest. There's every kind of little boothy thing you can think of here. They're selling everything you can think of here. Stuff. Food.
I'll be there tomorrow.
Grand gourmet popcorn, Randy's homemade fudge. There's Sheila's stuff everywhere. Never seen so much stuff. I'll get further down and show you some more. There's a whole pile of stuff there made out of tin and painted up, and there's more stuff here. Pictures, paintings, everything. Food. Tripped over a log. This is probably the biggest barbecue you ever saw in your entire life. Now look at that mother. Mate, just spotted something. There's a thing there called funnel cakes. Pork skin. Up here we've got easy fixings. You can see that. Get yourself some crackling right there. I am a bit interested in this blooming onion. Which I've got no idea what it looks like. Plenty of food here. Oh boy, here's some really good stuff. Very useful. Look, people are buying it. Look, there's a new thing over there. I don't know what that is. Better go and have a look. Better check that out.
They're nocturnal, so...
If you can see these athletic little fellows. I'm seriously amused by that. Wow. And that was, what did you call this thing?
Siberian chipmunk.
That little fella's right there on my arm. Siberian chipmunk. Wow, wow, wow. I'm amazed. There you go, bud.
Wow, creature.
Yes, absolutely a beautiful little piece of work. Well, I'm off down another side streety thing just here after having a look at them critters. Them little tiny weeny one, that was a sugar glider from Australia. They breed them here and sell them for pets. We can't even do that in our own country. Anyhow, stuff, more stuff. Over here, stuff. Get your jewellery for $1. Wow. It's Halloween soon, so they're cashing in on that.
Want that medal this time.
Kids over there having a ball. This is going on city here. Package does not have hand pop popcorn. Well, I've been looking for something suitably freaky to finish off on, and I think I might have found it. Well, I give in. What is it?
Well, it's a motorcycle, but it's called a stallion. It's made by Thoroughbred Motor. It's got a Ford Mustang motor in it. It's a 4-cylinder.
4-cylinder. Is it a V4?
You know, I don't know.
Don't know. Wow. This is definitely some kind of a unit, isn't it?
It is different. They make them in Houston, Texas.
Well,